Hey, future bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. It's Publishing Q&A Thursday. Can you be a romance writer and subvert expectations? Let's find out. Hey everybody, Lisa Daly here. Thanks so much for watching today. So today I'm answering a viewer question that came from our live stream the other day, and I thought it was a really fantastic question, and so I wanted to go into a little more depth. Dal Cecil Runo asked, can you be a romance writer and subvert expectations? She went on to explain that what she was asking was whether or not she had to include sex, overt descriptions of sex, in a romance book. And the answer is no. There are certainly things that you do need to include if you're going to write romance. There are two, actually. Number one, the relationship needs to be the main driver of the book, getting these two characters together. And number two, at the end of the book, romance readers expect and will be pissed if they don't get a happily ever after, or at least a happy for now. Now, there are a lot of variations on what that ends up being, but generally, the couple gets together, it looks like they're going to have a bright and happy and shiny future. Do they have to get married? No. Do they have to consummate their relationship? No. But the reader does need to be able to believe that they have finally gotten together, they have finally gotten past all of their problems, and at last, they can be together and be happy. But how that happens depends a lot on the writer and the reader. And so while romance readers will have that expectation that A, the relationship is the main driver of the plot, and B, that there will be a happily ever after for our characters, or at least a happy for now, how you get there is really up to you. Dal's original question was about whether or not you have to have sex in romance novels. I mean, romance novels are famous for having, a million names for body parts and some pretty steamy sex. But the truth of the matter is you don't have to have sex in order to have a romance novel. There are a variety of subgenres where there's no sex involved at all. I just saw an alligator. Take clean romance, for instance. There's some kissing, there's some hand-holding maybe, but it's more about the romance than the sex. It's like a Hallmark movie. Does a romance novel have to be between a man and a woman? No. Can it be between a woman and an alien? Yes. Does the man have to be a billionaire? No. Does the woman have to be a supermodel? No. The truth is, romance novels, like romance in real life, come in all different sizes, shapes, and flavors. And if it's something that appeals to you, you will probably find a readership for it. So if you like this video and you are looking to write a book you are super proud of and get it published, I hope you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell, because I will be posting a lot of new videos to help you do just that. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. All right, now go out and write your own romance novel, because I want to make sure you get your happily ever after too. I just saw an alligator.